Okay, guys, so today we are going to get back to using Microsoft Excel. And I have some more data that I collected prior to you coming in about which color do you like better. But before we get started, I thought we would review with a real quick video.
What's next?
Well, I'll describe a problem and then I'll ask you a question about it. Suppose you want to open a pancake restaurant.
Addison, you make the best pancakes in the world.
All our friends would love these. We ought to open a restaurant.
But you only have 3 mixing bowls. You'll want to find out which pancakes are the most popular. The question is, what would be the most helpful way to figure it out? If you think you should guess, click on the oval symbol. If you think you should collect information and data from the monsters in the neighborhood, click on the diamond symbol. Or, if you think you should call up another restaurant and ask, click on the octagon.
What should we do?
If we guess or ask another restaurant, we might not know for sure what the monsters like. So I vote for collecting data.
Me too.
Good figuring. Now, suppose every time a monster in the neighborhood chose the kind of pancake they liked, we drew a circle. Blue circles for blueberry pancakes, yellow circles for banana pancakes, green circles for spinach pancakes, and pink circles for bubblegum pancakes. Here's a picture of a piece of graph paper. Can you figure out a way to use this graph paper to tell which kind of pancake the monsters liked best of all? And can you figure out how to do it without counting?
I've got an idea. Suppose we make a bar graph and stack up the pancakes in columns of the same color.
Huh?
Like this. We stack all the blueberry pancake circles in this column here. All the yellow banana pancakes here. All the green spinach pancakes here. And all the pink bubblegum pancakes here.
Wow, look! Blueberry is the tallest, so our monster neighbors like Blueberry the best.
Way to go, math monsters! Ready for more?
Okay, so I collected some data on which color do you like the best. I asked all my teacher friends which color they like the best, red or blue. And this is the data that I collected on this question. So let's count and find out what our totals were before we get started on today's project. Let's count the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many teachers liked the red? 8. Good job. And blue. How many like the blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many teachers like blue? 7. Awesome. Okay, so I have collected the data, and we are going to aim for a 3 today. I can create a graph in MS Excel by myself using the tools that we discussed in class. And let's talk about some of the essential vocabulary for our project. Spreadsheet is everything that is yellow. The column goes up and down. It's the letter. The row goes from side to side. It's the number. The cell is the box that make up the spreadsheet. And the cell name is the letter and the number. So let's name this cell. What letter is it? E. And what number? 10. So its cell name would be, that's right, E10. Okay guys, so now that we have our data, what are we going to do? That's right, we're going to graph it. So we're going to click on Microsoft Excel, our Excel icon. You are going to open with your menu, we're going to click on the blank workbook. Now before we get started, what can you tell me that you already know about Microsoft Excel? What did you learn last week? Now, how long would it take you to draw a nice bar graph that we're going to end up with? Let's see if we can finish this faster than we would be able to draw. Okay, so we are going to, let me move this so you can see all the tools. We are going to click in column A, row 1. So this is cell A1 and see the cell name right there. And we are going to say red, blue. Red goes in A1. I press the arrow to go down. Blue goes in cell A2. I'm going to take my mouse and I'm going to click in column B, row 1. And I'm going to write my data in here. 8 goes in B1. I press my arrow down button to go to B2, and I'm going to put 7 to show my data. My next step, how do I graph? I need to select the range, so I click on cell A1 with my mouse, and I'm going to drag it over to B1 and then down to B2. And I have all of this selected. Even though this is not grayed out, I know it's still selected because it's inside the green box. So now that I've selected my range, I'm going to go up here to the tabs. I'm going to click on Insert. And I'm going to choose a column. So again, I click on the same icon as before. And yesterday I picked one of the bar graphs. Today I'm going to pick a column. I can do a 3-dimensional or a flat. So I'm going to do a fun one. And I have my chart. And that is all I have to do today. Now, if you want to explore some other tools in Microsoft Excel and add to your project, that's great. Let's see what we can create with this. But before I let you go to expand on what we did today, let's have a discussion about Microsoft Excel as a group.